So students, now let's start activity 10.5, construction of an ellipse using a rectangle. Objective: to construct an ellipse using a rectangle. So students, now let's see the method of construction for the given activity. Step 1. Take a cardboard of convenient size and paste a white paper on it. Cut a rectangle. PQRS from a colored chart paper. Of suitable dimension. Cut a rectangle PQRS from a colored chart paper of suitable dimension and paste it on the cardboard. Now step 3. Divide this rectangle into 4 congruent triangles. Now divide this rectangle into 4 congruent rectangles. Now divide each of the side PR and OB of the rectangle OBRC into some equal parts let's say 11 parts. So now we divide the side BR into 11 equal parts and side OB also into 11 equal parts. So students, step 5th. Mark the points of subdivision of PR as A1, A2, A3 and the subdivisions of OB as D1, D2, D3 and so on. As you can see here in the figure, I have marked the subdivisions of OB as D1, D2, D3 and so on, and of BR as A1, A2, A3. Step 6. Join the point C to A1, A2, A3 and so on. And draw the line joining the points D2, D1, D2, D3 and so on. So join the points C to A2, C to A1, in the similar way, join the points C to A1, A2, A3 and draw the line joining the points D to D1, D2, D3. So join the D to the point D1, D2, D3. So students, in step 7, mark the point of intersection of CA1 and DD1 as P1, CA2 and TD2 as P2 and so on. That is, let the point where the two lines intersect, that is CA1 and DD1, is the point P1, and the point where DD2 and CA2 intersect is the point P2, then point P3. In the similar way, we find more points. Step 8. Fix the nails at the points P1, P2, P3 up to P10. Now, step 9. Join the feet of the nails with a thread as shown in the figure. So when we join the points P1, P2, P3 up to P10 with the nylon thread, so when we join, we get a curve in the rectangle OBRC, the curve from C to B. In the similar way, we follow the same procedure for the other 3 congruent rectangles, and when we join all the points, we obtain a curve that is an ellipse. So now students, repeat the same process with the other 3 congruent rectangles. And obtain a curve as shown in the figure. And obtain a curve as shown in the figure. That is, this is the curve that we have obtained when we repeat the same process for all the 4 congruent rectangles. So students, now let's see the demonstration for the given activity. So the curve that is obtained looks like an ellipse. So the major axis of the ellipse is the length AB of the rectangle PQRS, and the minor axis of the ellipse is length CD of rectangle PQRS. So the length AB is the major axis, whereas the length CD is minor axis. So students, now let's see the observation for the given activity. First, the length of the rectangle PQRS is equal to length of major axis AB. So the length of the rectangle is equal to length of the major axis AB, breadth of the rectangle PQRS is equal to the length of the minor axis. CD, as CD is the minor axis. Third, the major axis of ellipse is AB. Fourth, the minor axis of ellipse is CD. So AB is the major axis and CD is the minor axis, as I have told you before.